So today I'm gonna be reviewing and unboxing the Bellroy car sleeve. This wallet looks pretty promising, so I'm gonna get to it. So first I wanna say, cause I already saw the box already. This is a pretty cool detail. So I already boxed the other one that I'm gonna be returning. The other wallet was tan, so this is brown. This wallet that I ordered is green, so that's green. That's pretty cool. So let's get to it because I'm pretty excited about this one. So again, Bellroy's standard packaging. I approve. I don't need no big packets. Pretty good. Paper again. Pretty cool. And there's a wallet. And this is nice. Now that's what I'm talking about. Again, it has the same feel as the other wallet. That's a smooth new leather feel, but at the same time kind of cheap. Not in a bad way. Not in a bad way. What is, maybe it feels like that because of the leather that it's using and because how thin it is. And as you can see, it's a vertical one. So first impressions, I love it. And this is pretty good, pretty cool. Information about the wallet, our leather again, and I'm not gonna read that. I like it a lot. So here's a card, and let's put it in here. It has that sound. It's gotta be from this. I mean, I don't know if it's on. Okay, I see it. That's pretty cool, and it stays thin. So nice. I like it. Now this is an everyday wallet, everyday carry wallet. Sorry. I like the stitching. I like how it stops right there. Metal. This seems to be in the middle. Let's find out. Oh. Let me do this one. Oh, okay. Messed up the sound there. But anyways. Now that's a little bit tight, which I like. That's good. Because with time it's gonna be a little bit loose. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. Now let's look at the back. More tight. Again, not a bad thing. Can I still reach this? Yes, I can. I don't have a card to put in there. I love this wallet. Let me put this back. Now the reason I got it green was because I've been looking for something olive green. Maybe it's a trend color right now. I don't know. I just like it. But this looks alright. But I'm pretty sure with time, the oils and all that tear and wear is gonna look beautiful. I mean, yeah, it's a quick review. I mean, I guess, and I love it. And also, there's different colors. There's let me see over here on the website. It's black, charcoal, brown, not tan, brown, navy blue, and a tan color. Again, beautiful wallet. For $55, I would recommend this. Like in the middle, price is kind of high for most people, but still pretty good. I'm satisfied with this purchase. This wallet, then almost as tall, a bit smaller, but thinner from this side, which is a plus. Perfect. This is what I was looking for. I'll be sticking to this for my everyday carry, and yeah.